Superb, superb.
Recording in
Yeah, recording is in progress. Yes. So today, 28th May 2021. Okay. Let me first of all share. First of all, I welcome you personally. I welcome Nagaraju. You are well in time. You are there. Yes. Happy to see you, sir. Happy to see you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes. Ukli sir, welcome. Okay. I'll just make you co-host before I forget. Yes, you can. You are now co-host. Welcome, Sunil Thoraji. Welcome, Atul sir. Welcome, Atul Kulkarni sir. Welcome. I'll make you co-host. Yes. And yes, the first president, Jagdish Mahajan sir. Like happy to introduce, meet you, interact with you. Welcome to you, Nikit Pokharna. Please welcome to Entrepreneurs Club. Neeraj Shilodkar. Welcome. Pandit Toranmal. Welcome. Purushottam M. Welcome. Sunil Pandeji. Welcome. Harshada P. Welcome. Bhavik Dhavale. Welcome. Avinash Raute. Welcome. So many people are joining. I welcome you all from Entrepreneurs Club. Okay. Today's agenda. Okay. Just if you are here and able to hear me clearly, just type in the chat EC. EC is Entrepreneurs Club. At least आपको ये तो पता चले कि yes हम यहाँ पर क्यों आए हैं. Okay, I request everyone to type in the chat EC. EC is nothing but yeah, I can superb. I can see Neeraj, Atul sir responding. Fantastic. EC is nothing but Entrepreneurs Club. Okay, first of all, let me share today's agenda. Let me share today's agenda. Just a minute. I'll just mute all so that it is not going to. Yes, so you all are muted. Welcome. Many people are coming in. I'll just share my mind map. Yeah. So first of all, let me share some good news. Okay, the good news is today is birth anniversary of SLK. Any guess from you who is SLK? It is not SRK, it is SLK. Any guess? Let me see. Please type in the chat. Other than Atul sir. Okay. Yes, I want you to type in the chat. Yes, superb. Neeraj, you are absolutely right. Congratulations. Correct. Okay. SLK is Shantanu Rao. Perfect. Okay, it's a memorable day for us to remember the great entrepreneur, the initiator, especially in Maharashtra. Okay, and yeah, so let me really thank you, Shantanu Rao Kirloskar sir. We still remember you. Okay, your guidance is necessary for us. Yeah, today's agenda is going to be the introduction of Entrepreneurs Club, and then we have two sessions today. Number one is on SWOT analysis by Sriranga Gokhale sir, and second will be on WhatsApp for Business by me, and there will be some announcement. Okay, so this will be today's activity. Let me share the three major mission of Entrepreneurs Club. Okay, the three major missions are to create a network of. Why I'm sharing this? The intention behind this is to understand us, why the Entrepreneurs Club is working, and what is the aim, the mission, the motto, objective behind this. Okay, so number one is to create a network of healthy entrepreneurs who with a common platform to share. Yes, this is going to be a common platform for all of us. Okay, second major mission is the club is going to help or benefit mutually from the association. You're going to learn from each other. That is the power of networking. And the third major benefit is by spreading the entrepreneur literacy into the like-minded people to create a healthier society. So this is the intention. This is the mission. I just want to share with you. Okay, now let us move to the next activity. That is, see, normally we have one tradition that we are going to start always with the pledge, the Entrepreneurs Club pledge. Yeah, here is Sunilji. Would like to take, or should I proceed? I'll make you co-host. Sunil ji.
Yeah, I will take.
Yes, yes. I request Sunil Thorat to.
आवाज येतोय माझा?
Yes, हो येतोय.
गुड इव्हनिंग एव्हरीवन. प्लीज मीच घेतोय, आपण फक्त मनातल्या मनात म्हणा. आय एम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. All entrepreneurs are my brothers and sisters. I love my profession and I am proud of its social service. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my entrepreneurs brothers and sisters respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my profession, organization, and my customers, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
Really thankful to you, Sunil Thorat ji. The pledge itself says something. It says like, yes, we are committed. Okay, I hope we in the childhood we say the national pledge. Because of that we love each other. Okay, I mean to say especially the Indian culture. Okay, super. So now yes, now let us begin with the today's agenda, today's activity. The hero is ready. Okay, the hero is ready, he's smiling. Okay. Yes. So once, see, the thing is like, see, um, जैसे फिल्मों में एंट्री होता है, इसी तरह अगर आपका रेस्पॉन्स अगर हमें मिलता है ना, सो देन इट बिकम्स वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. ओके, सो यहाँ पर हम जो भी एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, इसका इंटेंशन है कि आपको बेनिफिट मिले इसका. ओके, सो विद दिस इंटेंशन let me share about today's topic or the first speaker. Okay, he is going to take today one very important session, very important topic, and that is SWOT. Okay, especially for the entrepreneur, we as entrepreneur, we should understand our strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. And the person who crossed all these phases from so many years, and let us hear from him. And the person is he's ex Philips, nami kafi hai. Okay, and he's a technocrat. Okay, technical expert, and he is our mentor. Okay, even not only for us, he's also for many entrepreneurs. He's helping unconditionally. Okay, you call him anytime, he's ready to help you with his experience. May I know who he is? Okay, if you know, please type in the chat. Let me see who is going to respond. Okay, the first session. Yes, Nadar ma'am, you are absolutely right. Okay, he is Gokhale sir. I request all the 27 participants type in the chat SG Srirang Gokhale. Okay, so I request Srirang Gokhale sir to begin today's session. I request everyone to type in the chat SG. Okay, SG, that is Srirang Gokhale sir. Let me share my screen meanwhile. Sir, I welcome you. The screen is shared. Please, sir.
Mahesh, would you mind me sharing, because I can take a pointer wherever I want?
Best. Okay? That is best. Yeah, you are co-host, sir. You can share. Yeah. Please go ahead.
I will just share, try share screen.
Yes, share screen and select the PPT.
Yeah.
Thank you, Amulya.
Yeah, where I am. Let me close this. And now I am on the Entrepreneur Club SWOT analysis.
Okay, now you are opening the PPT. Yeah, just.
Is it okay, or I have to go to the slideshow?
Yeah, make it a slideshow, sir, so that we all can see it clearly.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, absolutely fantastic. Please go ahead. Thank you.
So, Mahesh, I thank you, because these Entrepreneur Club meetings used to be very dry, but after you are taking over, you are making meetings very lively, and I must thank you for that. Very nice, Mahesh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I welcome all and my friends Entrepreneur Club, but there are some new faces also. So my introduction is, I told Mahesh told me I am a technocrat working after Philips' long journey, working as a mentor for small entrepreneurs, and keep giving lectures and preaching people. That's my job presently. Entrepreneur Club, I am associated for last almost 11, 12 years. And it's a group which I love because I am coming from manufacturing side, and the group has many manufacturers, close friends now. We are going to talk about SWOT analysis, SWOT, SWOT analysis. All of you, I'm not saying each one separately, but all of you know what is SWOT analysis. So you may be wondering, okay, why the hell we are going to learn today, because we know it all. Yeah, just to give an example, suppose I was to announce that I'm going to talk about Mahabharata. You would have said, "Arey, Mahabharata story we know right from our childhood. What are you going to talk?" But at every decade of your age, the way you look at Mahabharata is different. So I would have definitely seen Mahabharata at my age of 70s in a different fashion. Similarly, is a SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is very simple. There is no tool as such. It's just straightening the data in a form. But it is extremely useful. But for the next analysis of brainstorming, one, and second, for introspection, it's a very nice tool. SWOT analysis asks you some questions which make you think, oh, how it is, how am I? So it's nothing but strength, weakness. Just a minute, I will just pick up the pointer. So it is just nothing but strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats, SWOT. Strength and weakness are of our own internal origin, my strength, my weakness. And opportunities and threats are the outer world. So this is basically a simple SWOT. What you do is, all the data that you have available, you categorize into these 4 quadrants. Outside world and my own. What is the best formula is, if my strengths are matching the opportunities outside, I have a best progress. I will prosper because strengths are matching to outside opportunities, and automatically I will gain over others. If they are not matching and I have a lot of other weaknesses, I must convert my weaknesses into strength and look for opportunities. But in the process, suppose the opportunity outside are changing, and not only opportunity, but there are threats. So threats will pull me back. So what I should do? So our journey should be convert threats into opportunities, convert weaknesses into strength, and use strength to exploit opportunity. That's the basic of all this SWOT analysis. Very simple, and I will explain it with examples. I was just thinking what examples I should take, but I have gone a bit selfish of using my own example as some example to show you. No, there's no ego in that. It's just a convenience, so that the things would be very clear to you. The first SWOT analysis I did myself when I was in Philips' career. The second one is post-retirement, some at year 2005 to next 6-7 years. And the last one is at 5 years back. Why I have shown you this? And do you want to ask whether, Gokhale sir, are you going, where are you going year by year doing SWOT analysis? Your copies? No. In this format, I had done only once or twice, but some of the diaries, some of my notes, some of my friends' comments, the mail, I picked up all these points and put it in a form just to show you what it is. In Philips, my strengths were my organization. I was a product designer. Product creation process I understood very well, and I am a top man in product creation. I also got an opportunity to build a global network, and my vision became very vast when I became the audio global man. And building a team along with organization was my strength. I built a team very nicely. The weakness was the managerial growth. See, actually doing product creation and working like a scientist, my growth in the management hierarchy was not there. I remained as a specialist. This was definitely a loss because I was not a material for a factory manager. I was inward looking. In case I did not develop a personal brand, which even for a person in the job is important. And I did not have a plan B. I never dared to kick my job, or I never had any intention to start my own. This, I feel, was definitely a weakness, sticking to Philips. Opportunities were nice in those days. There was products were going, consumer market was getting, we were localizing things. Our brand image of Philips was very nice. Buyer was shifting from normal necessities to luxury items. But threats were liberalization after 90s, that global competitors came in, audio technology started getting older, China threat came in, and the software peeped in where the hardware were challenged. After retirement, I what I had knowledge, definitely very well structured knowledge. I had technology and management together. See, I did not get management degree, but the interest I had shown in various tools in management helped me to become the techno manager type of a confidence. My financial planning during the Philip days was quite good. So actually, I was contented, and but I treated it as a weakness. So uh, I had no worry for earning money. And one good quality I had was adaptability. I was able to adapt to a situation. A person, departmental head in a top corporate of the global design, having a car and all facilities. And 1 week after the retirement, whatever I decided, I was able to travel by PMT and never felt anything bad about it. Not boasting about it, but just sharing with you. The weakness was my network was very poor. Philips एक Philips करके हमारे जिंदगी Philips में गया. Never bothered that how my network is very bad after I retired. Not many institutes, people, nothing known. So I did not have entrepreneur mindset, because entrepreneur mindset is very important, who tries to find solutions and who has a risk-taking ability. That I had missed, and I realized that. My reading was very poor. English books, management books, globally famous books I had not read. And I used to sometimes feel very bad, but I will tell you about that later. My travel was limited except company on occasions. I remained contented, and that was a big weakness in me. Now I feel it. Those days, opportunities were also there. SMEs were growing. GDP was on the growth. Investments from foreign companies were coming. And I started developing my own brand outside. So these were opportunities for me. Age was a negative side. Specialization was killing me, because people, there were no demand for product design during post-retirement era. I wanted to become a consultant, and 2008 inflation that created some problems. Last 6 7 years, I went to a bad patch of health problem, and I took over to what are my strengths. So these strengths I tried to leverage in coaching and mentoring, and I picked up this particular thread. From this, I learned, I converted my knowledge, and I wrote a book on the for the small entrepreneurs in Marathi, and I improved my network. My network is today very good. Various clubs, institutes, WhatsApp groups, Facebook. Very nice network. Yesterday only my colleague in other group, Vaishali, gave me a mail and said, "Sir, I want to give you that mail personally because your network is good." So from network as a weakness, I came to network as a strong point here by conscious working. The weaknesses were, of course, are health. I have digital illiteracy, and that is my weak point. On update, I fall back. I'm not updating myself, and I'm not able to publicize myself. So I must take help of Mahesh and all to see how can overcome this weakness. Uh, Opportunities are excellent outside today. MSME growth is there, startups are there, Make in India is there, Internet of Things, technology, everything is growing. So it is good opportunity, except of course the Corona patch, but I think the things will improve. The threats are manufacturing, where my expertise was there. That sector is going down. Corporate image, which I should have built, is actually a threat for me because I don't have that image. now. Social media presence is very poor. I am available only on WhatsApp and Facebook, but no Instagram, no Twitter, no LinkedIn in a way. Speed of technology I'm not able to catch. So this is my SWOT analysis. What for a long period I did. It is a bit of backtracking, but it is exactly what SWOT goes about. But this is personal SWOT analysis. You can do the exactly same SWOT analysis for your organization, for your business. And we'll see. I've just put down very hurriedly before coming that what could be the strength and weaknesses of your organization, your factory, your work. It could be just, I will run through the point because there could be many. Technology, my know-how is good, my location is good because I'm in a consumer shop. Skilled workforce, my money situation is good, my contact and network is good, my product has an age, I work on special products, I build an organization team, and I'm committed. So these could be my strength. My weaknesses could be my brand is not established yet. I am one customer dependent. That is also a very bad weakness, especially for some OEM suppliers. Digital presence could be a weakness. Marketing, communications, both. Delegation. We in an industry must look for delegation. Otherwise, we are doing day-to-day work. Product update, very important. Inventory, small scalers always suffer, and recovery. So this just very loud thinking, some thoughts I've given you to think SWOT at personal level and at a business level. Now, that's what some salient points of SWOT is. It can be personal or institutional. It is dynamic. You can go on doing it at every transition stage, once in 3 years, once after you have done some paradigm shift. Do it. I mean, doing SWOT analysis at every stage is very important. Now, I told you opportunities and threats. These are to be seen and we must look it out. So PEST helps us. Outside situation has got actually few elements like political, economical, social, and technology. So these situations we must keep on handling. What's happening? Sometimes a change in political affects your business. Sometimes a social or corona affects your business. Sometimes 3D technology will affect your business. So we must keep an eye on what is best along with when you do SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis should not be done alone. I mean, just I sit down after today's lecture, you go home and sit down with a piece of paper and start doing SWOT. You can, but that's not the mature SWOT analysis. You must consult your friends. You must consult your competitor also at some time, your fellow colleagues, your subordinates, and try to find out what could be the strengths. Because what you feel as your strength may be seen as a weakness by your friend. So collect data, analyze it, and then properly put this, and then only execute. So it should be a brainstorming. It is not only your view. Another mistake people do, and I found it people doing in Philips is, we try to, after you make a list, and that is my experience, if I ask you to make a list of your strengths and weaknesses, all of us, everybody will make a big list of his weaknesses and write only few strengths. Why that? So, because see, our upbringing, our culture outside, we are always getting, comments, criticisms, improvement, suggestions from parents, from teachers, from friends. So we tend to feel a bit of inferiority, my general impression, not for all, that we try to see shortcomings very quickly. Now, if you start working on your shortcomings, then so tomorrow I will take a course for digital marketing. Day after tomorrow, I'll go for communication. I will try to improve my network. The moment you start working on your weaknesses, you forget your strengths and you forget to leverage your strengths and you lose opportunity. So first leverage on the strengths, one by one in a planned way, look at weaknesses which would become eventually useful. And list of businesses. This is what I wanted to share with you. Outcome of a SWOT analysis is, and I was moved by the last meeting where, Sagar and Surendra both narrated their situation, and that triggered this particular meeting. How can I help them? So to help them, giving them a lecture on SWOT won't help them, because how they will come to know at a brainstorming level what businesses they can consider. Their reach would be limited. So I started making list of what businesses are possible in general, not Corona post, in general business, what are the possible. So I wrote to my friends. I wrote to about 22 entrepreneur club members also. Just give me ideas what could be businesses for people in general. 7 people replied me, and out of the best one was Patate Sir's. I mean, he gave me such a list, and he said, I don't have the list possible on WhatsApp. Let me give you an email. Fantastic. I have yet to digest that. Now, out of this list, I'm going to share with you for people. By next week, I will make this list. And those who are giving me a SWOT analysis for my comment, I will share the list with them. So that's how I end my presentation. Now, do you have a time, Mahesh, to share 5 more minutes, because I will have some stories to share on SWOT.
Okay, it's 7:27, sir. 3 more minutes you can enjoy.
Okay. I will just give you one case of Ola driver who converted threat into opportunity. Once I was with a Ola driver. I have a habit of talking to them, and I asked him, how you are carrying on? So he told me he's doing very well. He comes from Latur, 3 years in running the car. I said, but I sit in the auto rickshaw walas. The auto rickshaw walas complained that Ola has killed their business. So he laughed and he said, sir, 3 years back, I was also, my father had auto rickshaw. I was running auto rickshaw for 3 years. When this trend of Ola came, I came to know that it is going to be a threat. So I sold my rickshaw and started purchase Ola, and that's how I am very happy. So to convert a risk or a threat into opportunity is what we should do. Another example I want to share with you is Himanshu, our entrepreneur club member, very inspiring, auto-related product manufacturer. Immediately after last year, Corona, I started making ventilators. Now we're making oxygen supporter equipments. Excellent. We don't have to look around. Let us exchange with our own entrepreneurs how they are going and what they are doing. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mike.
Okay. Yes. Really, many thankful to you, sir, Shriram sir. Like you shared so wonderful insights of SWOT. I can understand within this time frame, we may not understand or digest all the points what you have shared, but yes, today's recording will be made available to all the entrepreneurs club members so that they can watch it again and they are going to follow your ideas, the detailed discussions what you shared. And yes, all the participants, the members, I would like to share here, like even sir is having so much experience, but still he is taking reference, he is taking input so that he can give justice to his guidance, his sharing. That is truly a great learning from you, sir. Yeah, really thankful to you. Please, I request everyone to share in the chat your experience, your quick learning in 1 or 2 words. I request everyone to share in the chat. Yes, let me read out your, sir, I'm going to read your comments. Santosh sir says excellent. Nagaraju says well done on SWOT. Sagar says I'll do my SWOT and get your guidance. Superb.
Yeah.
Atul sir says PST concept is a new learning. Sudhakar says a very useful session. Yash. Okay, so many messages are coming up. Sunil is saying excellent. Neeraj is saying converting threats into weakness is great. Yes. Abhishek is sharing his thoughts. Nadar ma'am is sharing about her views. Purushottam is sharing his messages. So nice of you all. Really thankful to you. Okay, let us move to the next session. Okay, we we will stick to the timing. Okay, maybe like the things. See, why to stick to the timing is I'll be taking your question answer maybe after say 10 minutes before the session is going to be over. The session will be over by 8 p.m. Okay, and yes, and before that 10 minutes I'll be reserving for your all questions, queries. Okay, so what? Okay, let's move to the next topic. The next topic is WhatsApp for business. Okay, WhatsApp for business. How many of you use WhatsApp? Type W. If you use WhatsApp business, then type WB. Okay, let me see your responses. Let me see your responses. To make it fun, is it okay if I use Marathi or Hindi? Okay, I can see Purushottam is using WB. Very, very good. Sagar is using WB. Fantastic. Great, great. You all are rocking. Fantastic. I can see almost everyone uses WhatsApp business. Okay, Gokhale sir uses WhatsApp. Okay, I can see rest, Sunil, Surendra, Anki. Okay, all are using WhatsApp. I request all of you to share your experiences. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, it is going to be completely practical. Okay, let me show you the Anil sir says like yes, he's using WhatsApp. Okay, fantastic. See, now we have less time, so I'll be covering up with some of the important point. Okay, ek kaam karta hu, I'll just change it to Hindi or Marathi. Let me shift initially to Hindi. I hope even I can see like Nagaraj is from Bangalore. Okay, so he may not understand Marathi immediately. So initially I'll go to Hindi. See, intention है दोस्तों कि आपको समझ में आ जाए. Okay, आप इसको समझ के इसको implement करें. That is my intention. Okay, so I'm here not promoting either WhatsApp or yeah. So I'm sharing my mobile screen. I hope you can see it. Okay, it is taking some time. Just a minute. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. Okay. You can see 3 WhatsApp. Okay. Anyway, that is a different story. So let's come back to the WhatsApp business. Okay. पहला बेनिफिट दोस्तों, डेफिनेटली WhatsApp तो यूज करना ही है आपको. ओके, लेकिन अभी मेरा कहना है कि WhatsApp बिजनेस हम कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं क्या. ओके, इस WhatsApp बिजनेस के क्या क्या बेनिफिट है, एक एग्जांपल मान के चलते हैं. ओके, I'll just see अतुल सर with your permission. Okay, so example, मैं अतुल सर को मैसेज अगर मैं देखता हूं तो मुझे इमीडिएटली पता चलेगा कि he is not using WhatsApp business. हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि इस एग्जांपल ये उनका फोटो है एंड his details, okay, and his number. Okay, और वही से example Surendra uses, let me see, Sunil Thorat, he is using WhatsApp only. Okay, anyone using WhatsApp business, type in the chat. अच्छा, आप यहाँ पर नहीं. Okay, let me see who is using. I hope Surendra is using WhatsApp business. Surendra, or say example Sagar. Okay, let me see Sagar. Okay, Sagar is using WhatsApp business. So आप देख सकते हैं about phone number. Okay, मैं जरा आपको हाईलाइट करके दिखाता हूँ. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं about phone number. Okay, about phone and number. So about उनकी information भी यहाँ पर दिखाया है. Okay, so his information, अच्छा उन्होंने ज़्यादा details नहीं दिया है. Okay, he haven't given much information. I hope this is not. Let me see. अच्छा, कैसे पता चलेगा? एक्चुअली जब तक आप उसको देखेंगे नहीं तब तक पता नहीं चलेगा. Let me see. Sagar is using yes. Okay, here you can see. So here you can see his address is also there. Business type is also there, and website. So many information is available here. Okay, and you can see website. Okay, so this is an example. This is the advantage. Okay, let me show my information. Where can I see? So option, business tools, business profile. Here you can see, you can put up your photo, that's fine. Business information, you can put up the things in detail. You can specify your business category, your location. You may say like, why to share my location to the world? Okay, for example, see, even if they come to know, उनको क्या पता चलेगा कि अच्छा ये पर्सन पुणे में रहता है, that's it. Okay, even उसके बाद आपका ऑफिस का टाइमिंग क्या है, so ये भी आप स्पेसिफाई कर सकते हैं. So it is up to you. It is up to you what to specify. You can specify your email ID, professional email ID, और आपका वेबसाइट and catalog. कुछ है कंसेप्ट, उसके बारे में आपको मैं थोड़ी देर में स्पेसिफाई करने वाला हूँ. So what I mean to say कि लोगों को इमीडिएटली पता चले. एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू आस्क मी, अगर मैं किसी को बोलता हूँ कि अच्छा मुझे मेरा ऑफिस आना है, एक काम करो, मेरे व्हाट्सएप के मोबाइल पर जाओ और आपको लोकेशन मिल जाएगा. मेरे व्हाट्सएप के प्रोफाइल में जाओ, आपको एड्रेस मिल जाएगा, या वेबसाइट का लिंक मिल जाएगा, ईमेल एड्रेस मिल जाएगा. सो मेनी थिंग्स यू कैन शेयर. दिस इज द फर्स्ट बेनिफिट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दोस्तों, यहाँ पर इतने सारे मैसेजेस आते रहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मुझे लगता है कि ये मैसेज, कुछ तो मैसेज है और वो इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो यहाँ पर नॉर्मल व्हाट्सएप में क्या क्या ऑप्शंस हैं? ओनली वी कैन ऐड अ स्टार करेंगे तो हम इसको स्टार्ड मैसेज में देख सकते हैं. लेकिन in case of WhatsApp business, what you can do is you can put into different labels. यानी इसको अलग अलग लेबल आप बना सकते हैं. Please don't mind, like I'm just showing you all my phone and my labels and all these things. Okay, मैं इतना ही चाहता हूं कि आप इससे सीखें, यानी इससे आप जो भी सीख सकते हैं वो सीख सकते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल, ऐड टू लेबल्स, जैसे मैं क्या क्या बनाता हूँ, VIMP, कुछ कलर वाइज भी आप बना सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, इट इज से VIMP, इसका रेड कलर मैंने यहाँ पर असाइन किया. आप मल्टीपल कलर भी आप दे सकते हैं, रेड एंड येलो अगर से एग्जांपल मैंने असाइन किया है, तो आप यहाँ पर नीचे इसको ऑब्जर्व करिए. यहाँ पर ऑब्जर्व करिए, कुछ तो लिंक यहाँ पर आ गया है, यहाँ पर कुछ तो लिंक आ चुका है. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगेन आई विल होल्ड इट, आई विल रिमूव द लेबल. वो येलो कलर को मैं हटा देता हूं, ताकि एक ही लेबल अगर हमने वहां पर रखा तो यू कैन सी द रेड लेबल इज कमिंग अप देयर. ओके, व्हाट इट मींस इज, इसको, अच्छा सर इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है? इसका एडवांटेज ये है कि अगर आप लेबल्स में जाएंगे, मैंने इसको VIMP में रखा था, एंड 15 आइटम्स आर देयर, यानी अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेबल, अकॉर्डिंग टू द ग्रुप, यू कैन सी ऑल द मैसेजेस हियर. You can see this is the message. Okay, this is the message. अगर मैं इसको क्लिक करके यहाँ से लेबल हटा देता हूं तो ये यहाँ से हट जाएगा. Instead of 15, you can see that there are now 14 messages are there. और अगर मैं उस मैसेज के अंदर जाके देखूंगा तो वहां पर भी उसका लेबल चला जाएगा. So when to use the label? Whenever you want to mark important messages. दोस्तों, हो क्या रहा है कि